In this video, we're going to look at the new chart control that is now available for the Dialog component in Alpha 5. So you can see here we have a simple dialog that is showing a pie chart, actually a donut chart showing sales from the sample Northwinds database, and this is a Dialog component. And if we go back to the dialog builder over here and we open up that particular dialog, we can see that what we have is a drop down for country, a drop down for the number of products that we would like to see, and then a chart, which is now just one of the available control types that can be placed on the dialog. So in this particular case, this chart allows us to see, say, the top 10 products that were sold in Argentina, or we could switch to, say, France, and then change to the top 5 products, etc. And then every time I make a change here in the drop down, an AJAX callback is made to refresh the chart. So we'll just do a really quick tour now in this video of different chart types that we have, and then in subsequent videos we'll go into more detail about how you can actually use the chart control yourself. So this next demo here shows a pie chart with a exploded slice, and when I double click on a slice, an AJAX callback is made to redraw the chart with that slice expanded. In this example we show a chart that has multiple series, so it's showing Boston climate, it's showing the record high, the average high, the record low, etc. And it's also showing how 3 of the series have been plotted as a spline chart, which is a line chart with smooth edges, but one of the series has been plotted as a bar chart. So we're showing here how you can mix different chart styles on a single chart. In this dialog here we have a pie chart, and we have an AJAX, a JavaScript event handler that puts up a little window that shows you what the value of the pie slice is. So as you move over each pie, you can see that the pop-up window, which is tracking the mouse, is showing the value of the pie slice. In this example over here we're showing a stock price for GM, and we're showing the high, low and the close for various dates, and then this information is actually being retrieved from the Yahoo Finance web service. And then so if I go there and change, for example, to Google, there's an AJAX callback is made to Yahoo to get the latest data from Yahoo, and then we can plot it over there. If we go, for example, to Facebook, we can see Facebook's stock price on a steady decline since its initial IPO. So now, for example, it would be the same chart here, but in this case we've gone and created a gradient background for the client area of the chart. In this example here we've got something called a scatter plot, and we're showing basically the date and duration of the eruptions of the Old Faithful geyser. In this example over here we're showing a chart called a box chart. In this example we're showing how you can plot multiple series. So we've got bar charts for 2010, 2011 and 2012 for the USA, Canada and Australia, and we're also showing how you've got complete control over the font and the angle of the font on the labels, etc. And in this example over here we're showing how a particular dialog here can have 3 different charts that are all bound to the same data series. So when I click this button to make an AJAX callback to refresh the data series on which the chart is based, you can see that all of the charts are updating. So because all charts are based on the same data series, when I update this data series, you can see that all of the charts update. So now that we've done a quick overview of charting, we'll step back now and go into charting in more detail in the subsequent videos. Thanks very much.